Hi everyone. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the jump strategy to solve subtraction questions. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do again is to draw a number line. Then what you need to do is you need to write the largest number on your number line. Now, because we're subtracting and we're taking away, what we need to do is we're not starting from the left-hand side this time. We're starting from the right-hand side and going backwards. So we're going to start from here. So I'm going to put 8,674. Now, it's very important with subtraction, always put the biggest number first, or else you're going to end up with a negative number. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use place value to find out what we need to add. So the first thing I noticed is the place value of this number is it has 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 1. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take away our thousands. So I can see we've got 2 thousands here. So we're going to take away 1,000 and we're going to get 7,674. Then I'm going to take away another 1,000. So I'm going to get 6,674. Then what I need to do is I need to take away my hundreds. So I've got 3 hundreds here. So I'm going to take away 100, which is 6,574. Then I'm going to take away another 100, which is 6,474. Then I need to take away another 100, which is 6,374. Then what I need to do is I need to take away my tens. So I'm going to make another number line under here. And put the last number, so this number, over here. So 6,374. And I'm going to take away 3 tens. So take away 10. So that's going to be 6,364. Then I'm going to take away another 10, which is 6,354. Then I'm going to take away my last 10, which is 6,344. Okay, then what I need to do is I need to take away my 1. So 6,344 take away 1 is 6,343. So that's my answer. So 8,674 take away 2,331 is 6,343. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to do one more and I'm going to do a 5-digit number. Okay, so the number I've chosen is 92,364 and I'm going to take away 13,465. All right, so the first thing I need to do is I need to draw my number line. Then what I need to do is I need to take my largest number, so this is my largest number, and I need to put it on my number line. Remember, when we're taking away, we always start from the right-hand side. So I'm going to put 92,364 on my number line. Okay, then what I need to do is I need to use place value to take away the rest of the other number. So I can see that we've got 1 10,000, we've got 3 thousands, 4 hundreds, 6 tens, and 5 ones. So I'm going to take away my 10,000 first. So 92,364 take away 10,000 is 82,364. Then what I need to do is I need to take away my thousands. So I've got 3 thousands. So I'm going to take away 1,000, and that means that I'm going to have 81,364. Then I'm going to take away another 1,000, and I'm going to have 80,364. Then I'm going to take away another 1,000. So it's going to be, now I'm going to be changing my 10,000 column too. So it's going to be 79,364. All right. Then I need to take away my hundreds. So I've got 4 hundreds here. Now I've run out of room on my number line, so I'm going to make another number line just underneath. Alright, so I'm going to start with this number because that was the last number. So it's 79,364. Then I'm going to take away 4 hundreds. So take away 100. So it's going to be 79,264. Then I'm going to take away another 100. So it's going to be 79,164. 79,064. And then I'm going to take away my last 100, which is 79,000. No, sorry. It's going to be 78,964. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to take away my tens. So I have 6 tens here. So I'm going to take away 10. It's going to be 78,000. $954. Now I've run out of room again, so I'm just going to move this down here. Alright, so 78,954, and I'm going to take away 10, which will be 78,944. Take away another 10, so I've done 3 tens, 78,934. Take away another 10, 78,924. Then 78,914, and then take away another 10, which is 78,904. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my last number, which is 5. Now I've run out of room again, so I'm just going to take away 5 just to make it easier. But what you can also do is you can take them away one by one. So if I do 78,904 take away 5, I'm going to get the answer 78,899. Okay, so like I said, you can either take them away one by one or you can take away 5. And so my answer is, so 92,364 take away 13,465 is 78,899. Okay, so that was today's video. So what you need to do now is you need to go into your Google Classroom, and your teacher has uploaded a worksheet that says Wednesday Jump Strategy Week 2, and you need to either type on it or print it off and write on it and upload it onto your Google Classroom for your teacher to check. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!